Get ready for an exciting IPL 2026 match as Chennai Super Kings takes on Punjab Kings at the iconic M.A. Chidambaram Stadium in Chennai. The match is scheduled to start at 7:30 p.m. IST. CSK is struggling with injuries, including the absence of Dhoni, while BBKS is riding high after a confident win over Gujarat Titans. The pitch is expected to be slow and spin friendly, favoring teams that can control the middle overs. The match promises to be an intense contest with BBKS looking to capitalize on CSK's injury woes. Will CSK's home advantage be enough to take BBK's strong word? Let's watch this thrilling match unfold.